Hello students, today's topic is orthogonal trajectories. This is a geometrical application of first order differential equations. What is meant by orthogonal trajectory? Orthogonal trajectories see the definition. Orthogonal trajectory, a curve which cuts every member of given family of curves at right angles, then that curve is called orthogonal trajectory of the given family. Okay. A curve which cuts every member or every curve of a given family of curves at right angles is called an orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal trajectory of the given family of curves. Okay. Now, two families of curves are said to be orthogonal if every member of either family of curves intersects every member of the other family of curves at right angles. Okay. Two families of curves are said to be orthogonal two families of curves are said to be orthogonal if every member of either family cuts every member of the other family at right angles. Okay, then the two families are said to be orthogonal. Okay. Now, how to find orthogonal trajectories of a given family of curves? Orthogonal trajectories in Cartesian form. Orthogonal trajectories in Cartesian form. See the working rule. Let f of xy c equal to 0 be the equation of the given family of curves. Be the equation of given family of curves. Where c is parameter. Where c is parameter. So let it be equation 1. See the first step. First, I have to find the differential equation of the given family of curves. Okay, by eliminating the parameter. Okay. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x and eliminate c. So you get an equation of the form some capital F of x y dy by dx is equal to 0, which is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay? Which is differential equation of given family of curves or equation 1. Okay? Now replace dy by dx. Replace, let it be equation 2. Replace dy by dx into by d minus dx by dy. By minus dx by dy. So get some capital F of x, y in place of dy by dx minus dx by dy equal to 0. Okay. So that will be equation 3. This is differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Now step 3. Now solving equation 3 to get orthogonal trajectories. To get orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curves, or equation 1. Okay. This is the working rule to find the orthogonal trajectories of a given family of curves. See the problem? Find the orthogonal trajectories. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of circles. Of the family of circles. X square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 is equal to 0, where f is a parameter. Okay. How to find the orthogonal trajectories of this family of circles. Okay. See the solution. Given family of circles is, that means the equation of the given family of circles is x square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 equal to 0. That will be equation 1. Here f is parameter. Okay. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get, first we have to find the differential equation of this. 2x plus 2y divided by dx plus 2f dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Implies that 2f, from this 2f equal to minus of 2x plus 2y divided by dx all by dy by dx. Okay. That will be equation 2. Now substitute 2 in equation 1. Substitute 2 in 1, we get x square plus y square plus, in place of 2f, write minus of 2x plus 2y divided by dx all by dy by dx. This is 2f into y plus 1 equal to 0. That is x square divided by dx, x square into dy by dx plus y square divided by dx minus 2xy multiplying by y minus 2y square divided by dx plus dy by dx is equal to 0. This is x square divided by dx, y square divided by dx minus 2y square divided by dx. There is minus y square divided by dx plus dy by dx is there. Take dy by dx common. Dy by dx into x square. Here minus y square plus 1 is equal to 2xy. From this dy by dx is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square plus 1. Okay. So that will be equation 2. Now this is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay. This is differential equation of 1, that is given family of curves. Okay. Now replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy to get the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Then we get minus dx by dy. In place of dy by dx, we are writing minus dx by dy is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square plus 1. Okay. That implies dy by dx is equal to, put this minus on RHS, this becomes y square minus x square minus 1 12 by 2xy. Okay. Now this is differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. If we solve this, we get orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Now this can be written as 2xy dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square minus 1. Now dividing by x, we get 2y dy by dx minus y square by x is equal to minus x minus 1 by x. We are dividing both sides by x. Okay. So let it be equation 3. Put y square equal to u. Then 2y dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Now substitute these values in equation 3. We get du by dx. 2y dy by dx is du by dx minus y square is u by x is equal to minus x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now this is a linear equation in u. This is a linear differential equation in u. Now the integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. P of x is minus 1 by x dx is equal to e power minus into 1 by x is log x is equal to e power log x inverse, means 1 by x. The integrating factor is 1 by x. The general solution of equation 4. The general solution is u into if. What is if? 1 by x. Integral q of x. That means minus x minus 1 by x into 1 by x dx plus c. Okay. This is the general solution of linear equation. Okay. That is u by x is equal to minus of integral 1 minus 1 plus 1 by x square dx plus c. Okay. That is equal to integral 1 dx is x minus x, integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Okay. That is plus 1 by x plus c. Okay. Now finally substitute the value of u. What is u here? U is y square. Okay. Therefore we get y square by x is equal to minus x plus 1 by x plus c. Okay. Y square equal to, taking LCM and cancel 1 by x both sides, minus x square plus 1 plus cx. That is x square plus y square minus cx minus 1 equal to 0, where c is a parameter. Okay. Is required orthogonal trajectories. Required orthogonal trajectories of the given family. Okay. Next problem. Prove that the system of parabolas. The system of parabolas y square equal to 4a into x plus a is self-orthogonal. Y square equal to 4a into x plus a. This is the system of parabolas. Let us show that this is self-orthogonal. Okay. See the solution. Given family of parabolas or given system of parabolas is y square equal to 4a into x plus a. Here a is parameter. Okay. That is y square equal to 4ax plus 4a square. Y square equal to 4ax plus 4a square. Now I have to find the differential equation of this. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 2y divided by dx. Y square derivative 2y divided by dx is equal to 4a. Okay, x derivative on 4a, 4a square derivative is 0. Okay. That is 2yp is equal to 4a, where p equal to dy by dx. For convenience, let p equal to dy by dx. That implies a equal to yp by 2yp equal to 4a, means a equal to yp by 2. Okay. Substitute these values in equation 1, that is y square equal to 4ax. What is 4a? 2yp into x plus 4a square, 4 into what is a? Yp by 2, that means yp by 2 whole square, that is equal to 2x yp plus 4 cancel here, y square p square. Y square equal to 2x yp plus y square p square. Let it be equation 2. This is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay, this is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay. Now replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Replace dy by dx means p by minus dx by dy, that is minus 1 by p. Okay, y square equal to 2x y, in place of p write minus 1 by p, minus 1 by p plus y square into minus 1 by p whole square, that is equal to minus 2xy by p plus y square by p square is equal to, if you take LCM, minus 2xyp plus y square by p square. That implies y square p square is equal to minus 2xyp plus y square. That is y square equal to 2xyp plus y square p square. It will be equation 3. This is differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Okay, of orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Now observe that equation 2 and equation 3 are same. This is differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. If you solve this, you get orthogonal trajectories. Now this is differential equation of given family. If you solve this, we get the given family. Okay, and hence the given family of curves is self-orthogonal. Okay, observe that equation 2 and equation 3 are same. Okay, hence given family of curves is self-orthogonal. Hence given family of curves is self-orthogonal. Okay. Now orthogonal trajectories in polar form. Orthogonal trajectories in polar form. Let f of r theta c is equal to 0 be the equation of the given family of curves in polar form. Okay, be the given family of curves where c is parameter. Okay. Now differentiating 1 with respect to theta and eliminate differentiating 1 with respect to theta and eliminate c, we get an equation of the form capital F of r theta dr by d theta is equal to 0. Let it be equation 2, which is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay, which is differential equation of given family of curves, or equation 1. Okay, now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Okay, replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. In equation 2, we get F of r theta minus r square d theta by dr is equal to 0. Let it be equation 3, which is differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. If we solve this, we get orthogonal trajectories. Okay, solving equation 3 to get orthogonal trajectories. Of 1. Okay, see the problem? Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of cadiodes. The family of cadiodes are equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, where a is parameter. Okay, these curves are known as cadiodes. Okay, given family of curves, a family of cadiodes is r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Let it be equation 1. Now differentiating with respect to theta, differentiating 1 with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to a into 1 derivative 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Understand? Now you have to eliminate a from this. From equation 1, a equal to r by 1 plus cos theta. Since from equation 1, a equal to r by 1 plus cos theta, substitute the value here. Okay, that is equal to minus r sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 all by 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. That is dr by d theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2 cancel minus r tan theta by 2. Okay, 2 cos theta by 2 cancel, sin by cos is tan. Okay, so let it be equation 2. So this is differential equation of given family of curves. This is differential equation of 1. That means given family of curves. Now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Get minus r square d theta by dr. In case of dr by d theta, write minus r square d theta by dr is equal to minus r tan theta by 2. Both sides minus cancel, implies dr by r is equal to d theta by tan theta by 2. It implies dr by r is equal to cot theta by 2 d theta. Okay, now integrating, so get integral dr by r is log r is equal to integral cot theta by 2 log sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2 means 2 log sin theta by 2 plus some arbitrary constant. Let it be some log 2c. Okay, that is equal to log sin square theta by 2 plus log 2c. Okay, is equal to log a plus log b is log ab. Log 2c sin square theta by 2. Okay, therefore r equal to, remove log on both sides, 2c sin square theta by 2, that is r equal to c into 2 sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta. R equal to c into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, is required orthogonal trajectories. Required orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.